I'm Bence Máté, wildlife photographer from Hungary. I'm here in Zimbabwe at Manapuz with the Panasonic G9. This time of the year is very dry. The animals are struggling to get water, but this area, the Manapuz, are so busy because of the Zambezi River. All the animals can get fresh water easily. The people usually visit Africa because of the big five, but as an action photographer, I spend quite a long time with monkeys because they are so human. You can see the babies carried by the mothers or fathers. They are really photogenic. I really enjoyed the autofocus of the G9. It's much faster. It's going from corner to corner. It's covering the whole viewfinder. Because of the contrast, the tracking is very trustable. In Manapuz, even if you don't have a guide, you can go out and you can take a walk in nature. But there are the same rules than any other place of the world. We have to know we are visitors here. We have to respect the animals and we follow their rules. When I'm working in bright conditions, it's very good to use the viewfinder. The viewfinder in the G9 is incredibly bright, large and clear. I can change the magnification and see all the information very clearly. The LEICA F2.8 is one of the greatest lenses for wildlife photography because of the short depth of field, which make your focus more to the topic. It gives me very big flexibility. I could photograph from monkeys to elephants in variable light conditions. For me, as a European, I was really afraid about African animals when I get there first time. But after 5 months, I just look, watch, learn about the behavior. If they want to attack you, they always give a sign. Having 5-axis dual image stabilization is another unbelievable thing of the G9. I was using the 100-400mm lens. The light conditions were quite low. I still can take quite long shutter speed without blurry images. The burst function is best, where you can guess what's going to happen in the next moment. It gives you much more chance to get to the moment what you're waiting for. 6K photo is a nice feature for wildlife because the camera is capturing all the time. Having such high resolution gives me the flexibility to crop for exhibitions or magazines. I get most of my success in Africa because of the flexible flip-out screen. I could photographing from ground level, but I had no chance to laying down because of weather or dangerous situation. When you are on the field, you see, you smell, you hear, and all the experience, it's very rich. So that's why it's very important to take a high-quality image, an image which gives other people the same feeling as if they would be here.
Panasonic.